Hello, this video should show how the ADABAS cluster is resistant to external influences in various situations without further restrictions on availability. The first example is an active primary node switch initiated by the administrator. On the left side, you can see an ADABAS client that permanently sends ADABAS calls. At the top right is operations that affect the cluster, and at the bottom right is the cluster status, which is updated every second. As you can see, the application continues uninterrupted. The second example shows the stopping of the primary ADABAS nucleus using ADA cancel. You can see the switch of the primary node. On the client side, on the left, an open transaction receives a response 9 and the client then continues to run unhindered. At the end, the ADABAS core is restarted, synchronizes automatically, and reconnects as a secondary node. The third example shows the stopping of the primary ADABAS VM. You can see the switch of the primary node, and after restarting the VM and ADABAS, the transactions are synchronized and the nucleus is mounted as a secondary node. On the client side, on the left, an open transaction receives a response 9, and the client then continues to run unhindered. At the end, the VM and the ADABAS nucleus are restarted. Restarts on the existing containers, synchronizes automatically, and rejoins as a secondary node. In the last example, we stop the primary node again with ADA cancel. The primary ADABAS node switches back to another node, again a response 9 on the client side. Now the ADABAS containers are deleted and then the ADABAS nucleus is restarted without containers. In the startup of the ADABAS nucleus, an initial state procedure is started. The containers are created again, and after synchronization of the transactions, the nucleus runs as a new secondary node. Thank you for your attention. It is a pleasure to show you these new possibilities. For me, it's like a Beethoven symphony. ADABAS cluster, the second power.